Hello there guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a database and a table in about 3 minutes. So here we have some data of personal details of the students. You have name, ID number, course and the year of admission. So let me go to the Mysql Workbench. I'll start creating the database. You write the script, create database, then the name of the database for my case is students. You put in a semicolon, you press Ctrl Enter. You can see at the bottom of the screen here it has been run. You can see our database was created. Then to create a table, you just write create table, then the name of the table. For my table is called personal details. I shall just type that in. Then you input a semicolon. So guys, I forgot to write use database. You need to write use database students in order for you to use the database that you have created. You just don't start writing create table before you have written use database. So I will write that use database, use students, write use, then the name of the database. So let's create the table. The first variable was name, so now you write the variable name, and then the data type. For character data types in SQL, use var_char. You have the second variable is ID number, then the data type is integer, then you have the course has some characters, so it will be var_char. Then after writing var_char, you need to indicate the maximum limit of values or characters that this variable can take. Let's say 266. I'll just type in that. Then we have the year of admission. Let's give it a date type. We shall write there date. So I'm writing slowly so that you can see and comprehend it very quickly. Close the brackets. So let's go back to the name section so that you can input the maximum limit of characters to use. Let me input 100, and let me press Ctrl Enter. You can see the code at the bottom of your screen. You can see the code was running.